Halo Sobat 100, still with me Siti Akhiria in Seratus Institute program. This time we are going to talk about multiplication and division of whole numbers. In this video, we will talk about the second section in this chapter, that is multiplying by a two-digit numbers. In this section, there are two main points that we will discuss about. The first one is multiplying by tens. Okay, we go straight to the example ya, Sobat 100. This is the example. Number 1. 1 times 10 equals 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. Look at the zero ya, Sobat 100. There is 1 0 and it becomes 10. In here, there are two zeros and then the result becomes 100. And the next 100 times 10 becomes 1000. The zero, there are 3. So it becomes 1000. Easy ya, Sobat 100? We go to the next example. Number 2. What is 3 times 20? To solve this problem, we can use two ways. The first way is 3 times 20. We can separate this 20 into two ways. The first way, 3 times 10 times 2. So 20 we divide it into 10 and 2. Okay, Sobat 100? Next, 30 times 2. How we get 30? From 3 times 10 equals 30. And then 30 times 2 equals 60. Easy, Sobat 100? Now, we go to the next ways. Here we go. 3 times 20. We also separate 20 into 3 times 2 times 10. So, we separate 20 into 2 and 10. So, we got 3 times 2 first, becomes 6, and then we multiply it by 10, becomes 60. Okay, Sobat 100? Easy, right? Now, we go to the next example. Number 3. What is 11 times 20? 11 times 20, same like before, we separate 20 into two ways. The first way becomes 11 times 10 times 2. So, the 20 becomes 10 and 2. Next, we multiply 11 times 10. It becomes 110 times 2. And then, it becomes 220. Easy, Sobat 100? Now, the second ways. 11 times 20 becomes 11 times 2 times 10. We separate 20 into 2 and 10. And then we multiply 11 times 2. It becomes 22. And then we multiply again with 10. It becomes 220. Easy, right, Sobat 100? Now we go to the next example. Number 4. What is 103 times 20? Okay, the first way, 103 times 20. The 20 becomes 10 times 2. So first, we multiply 103 times 10. It becomes 130, and then we multiply it by 2. So the result is 2060. The second way is 103 times 20. We separate 20 into 2 times 10. So, we multiply first 103 times 2. It equals 206. And then we multiply it by 10. So, we got 2060. Easy, right, Sobat 100? All done. Now, we go to the next main point. There is multiplying by a 2-digit number. Okay, we go straight to the example ya, Sobat 100. So this is the example. Number 1, multiply 23 by 12. Here is 23 times 12. We got 46. How we got 46? It's from 23 times 2. And then we got 230. How? We multiply 23 times 10. So we sums the result into 276. Easy, right, Sobat 100? Now we go to the next example. Multiply 359 by 24. 359 times 24, we multiply it. The result is 1436. How do we get it? It's from 359 times 4. And then we got 7180. We got from 359 times 20. And then we add, becomes 8616. Easy, right, Sobat 100? All done. So, we have already talked about the second sections in this chapter. If you want to know more videos about multiplication and division of whole numbers, you can click the next video. See you!